I was wondering if, like, during your book writing time and during your podcast, do you focus on or pay attention to these two things in both places or in either place, like seeding, talking about maybe some of your clients that you've worked with, some success story. Hey, I did this with this one person, like using those stories either in the book or the podcast, and also calls to actions, CTAs, I call them.
Yeah.
So are you utilizing seeding and CTAs in either or both of those mediums?
In the book, yes, we have. I want to give people the call to action in there that I have like free tools to use, like if you're a solopreneur and you want to download some of those, which takes them to our site and we have it right there. And then you can see, what we do as well. So that's, in the book, because I wanted to make sure people have not just the knowledge, but here's some tools. So that's definitely a call to action that leads to us and what we do. And then in our podcast, I've started interviewing our actual clients on there and are doing like a sub series, like a client series. How has Profit First helped you? How has Simple CFO helped you? Talking about the finances. So yes. And whenever I'm on podcasts or speaking on ours, I try to say, here's what has helped our clients, or like, here's some of the stories, because we've got some awesome stories behind the scenes of some just complete transformations of people going through this process. So yes, I try and throw stories out as much as possible. We probably on the podcast don't do call to actions as much as we should. Probably need to record new intros, outros, but yeah, not doing a good job, I would say, on my podcast of the calls to action.